Hello all. Our next topic of the integration is integration of composite function. Um, First one, what is the composite function? What is mean by composite function? So the definition of composite function is the function of this form f of g of x is called composite function, like sine 2x, then e raised to 2x, or e raised to minus 3x, or cos 3x. Okay, these are the composite functions. So we have to see what is the integration of this type of functions. Okay, so what is the rule for this is integration f of g of x dx is equal to integration of whole function divided by derivative of second function. Okay, integration of whole function divided by derivative of second function. Okay, so this is the rule for integration of composite function. We'll see some examples on screen. You can see here. First example is evaluate integration sine 2x dx. So first we have to take integration I is equal to sine 2x into dx. Okay, so this is not the standard function. Standard function is sine x. Here x, coefficient of x is 2, that is other than 1, therefore it is composite function. So rule for composite function is integration of whole function divided by derivative of second function. So we'll write this as sine 2x dx, integration of sine 2x dx, divide by derivative of second function means derivative of g of x or derivative of second function. So here first function is sine 2x. Okay, first function is sine 2x. Okay, first function is sine 2x and second function is 2x. Okay, so we have to take integration of sine 2x. Okay, divided by derivative of 2x. Okay, so the standard formula for integration of sine x is minus cos x. So sine 2x, integration of sine 2x is minus cos 2x, divided by this 2 is constant, so it is out of derivative, and integration of x with respect to x is 1 plus c. So our final answer is minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus c. Okay, shortcut for this is you can say integration of sine 2x divided by coefficient of x. So here coefficient of x is 2, so divide by 2 plus c. Okay, now second example, let us take second example, integration cos 4x into dx. Okay, so here first function is cos, okay, cos 4x, and the second function is only 4x. Okay, second function is only 4x. So let us solve this example. First, integration cos 4x dx divide by derivative of second function. What is second function here? 4x. Okay, standard formula for the integration of cos x is sin x. So integration of sin 4 cos 4x is sin 4x, divide by this 4 is constant into x, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus c. So the final answer is sin 4x divided by 4 plus c. So as you can see here, integration of cos is sin 4x divided by coefficient of x, that is 4 plus c. You can cross check it by this shortcut. Okay, now Let us see another examples. Okay, so first one is third one is integration. We have given cos x by 2, cos x by 2 into dx. So here the first function is cos x by 2. First function is cos x by 2, and the second function inside that is x by 2, because the coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Therefore, it is not a standard. Standard function means where there is only coefficient of x is only 1. Okay, therefore, it is not a standard function. So now we have to solve this. First, integration cos x by 2 dx, divide by derivative of second function. You can see here second function is x by 2, divided by derivative of x by 2. Okay, now we know that integration of cos x is sin x. So integration of cos x by 2 is sin x by 2, divide by derivative of x by 2. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1, divided by 2 plus c. This divide 2 becomes plus 2. You can see this. Divide 2 becomes multiply by 2. 2 sine x by 2 plus c. This is your final answer. This example is for 2 marks in MSBTE exam. Integration, second one is sine x by 2 into dx. Okay, so the rule for composite function is integration of whole function divided by derivative of second function. So we'll take here integration of sine x by 2 dx, integration of whole function, divide by derivative of second function. Here second function is x by 2. So now integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of sin x by 2 is cos x by 2. Divide by derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Divided by 2 is constant, which will stay as it is, plus c. This divide becomes multiply, that is 2 cos x by 2 plus c. You can see here integration of sine is cos divided by coefficient of x, that is 1 by 2 plus c. You can cross check it by shortcut. Okay, now next example is evaluate integration e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. So first we'll write the example e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. Okay, now here is addition of two functions. So we'll separate these two functions by taking integration and dx to each term. Integration e raised to 2x dx plus integration e raised to minus 2x dx. Okay, so now the standard function is e raised to x, but here e raised to 2x or e raised to minus 2x. Therefore, these are composite functions. So now I will show you e raised to 2x is first function and 2x is second function. Similarly, here e raised to minus 2x is first function and the second function is minus 2x. So the rule for composite function is integration of whole function, that is integration of e raised to 2x dx, divide by derivative of second function, that is derivative of second function, you can see here 2x, plus again the same integration e raised to minus 2x dx, divide by derivative of minus 2x, divide by derivative of minus 2x. Okay, so what is the integration? Standard formula for e raised to x is e raised to x. So integration of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x, divide by 2 is constant and derivative of x with respect to x is 1, plus Similarly, e raised to minus 2x integration e raised to minus 2x as it is, divide by this minus 2 is constant and derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus c. So the answer, final answer will be e raised to 2x divided by 2. This plus and minus becomes minus e raised to minus 2x divided by 2 plus c, or we can simplify it as take 1 by 2 common, then the answer will be e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x plus c. So this will be the final answer for this example. Okay, now the next example you can see, evaluate integration 1 upon 2x plus 3 into dx. Now we'll write the example first. Integration 1 upon 2x plus 3 into dx. So here the first function, it is the first function 1 upon 2x plus 3. Okay, and the second function is only 2x plus 3. Okay, only 2x plus 3. So by rule, integration of composite function 1 upon 2x plus 3 dx, integration of whole function, divide by derivative of second function. Derivative of second function is derivative 2x plus 3. So for this, the formula will be integration 1 upon x dx. What is the integration of 1 upon x dx? The standard formula for this is log x plus c. So 1 upon 2x plus 3 becomes log 2x plus 3. Okay, log 2x plus 3. Divide by derivative of 2x plus 3. Now, see here, 2 is constant and derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Plus 3. 3 is only constant. There is no x in this term. Therefore, derivative of 3 will be 0. And plus c. So, our answer will be log 2x plus 3 divided by 2 plus c. This answer will be cross checked by our shortcut, that is log of 2x plus 3 divided by x, coefficient of x. You can see here coefficient of x is 2. So divide by 2 plus c. Similarly, we can solve some another examples. I will show you here. One second. Okay, now we'll take one another example for practice. Let I is equal to integration 1 divided by 5x plus 11 into dx. Same here. First function is 1 upon 5x plus 11 and second function is 5x plus 11. So by rule, we'll take integration of whole function, integration 5x plus 11 into dx, divide by derivative of second function, divide by derivative of 5x plus 11. Now, just we have seen integration 1 upon x is log x. So 1 upon 5x plus 11 is log 5x plus 11 divide by log of 5x plus 11 divide by 5 is constant, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus 11. 11 is only constant, there is no term in x, therefore it will be only constant, that is derivative of constant is 0 plus c. So our final answer will be log 5x plus 11 divided by 5 plus c. Here is also log of 5x plus 1 divided by coefficient of x. So this example will be asked in MSBT exam for 2 marks. Okay. Next one. Like this we can solve. You can solve integration cos 3x into dx. So integration of cos 3x is sin 3x. Divide by coefficient of x is 3 plus c. Similarly, integration 1 upon 3x plus 2 into dx. So integration of 1 upon x is log x. So the answer will be log 3x plus 2 divided by coefficient of x is 3 plus c. In this way, you can solve the integration of composite function. Thank you.